Finally, there is tracking inside Premiere Pro, which means we don't need After Effects anymore. I mean, it was harsh and it was joke. Obviously, you still need After Effects for more complex stuff, but for simple subject tracking, Premiere Pro can do that easily. And in today's one, I'm going to show you how to highlight a subject in your video. Let's dive in. So we're going to work with this clip right here, and this is just a car that is moving down the road. So in order to highlight it, what we need to do is click on this object mask tool, and let's select this ellipse mask tool here. So we will create this ellipse shape like so. This should do the trick. And after creating the shape, under the effect controls, you can see unassigned masks, and there is our ellipse mask basically. Click on this track forward and backward, and let Premiere do all the heavy lifting. So now you can see that the mask is tracked and it perfectly stuck with our car. So what we need to do next is we need to darken this environment. By the way, this is just highlighted. You can change the color of that from here. So what we need to do is we need to go to the effects and search for the brightness. Drag this to our clip and it should automatically assign the ellipse mask to our brightness and contrast. If no, just drag the unassigned mask and drop it on the brightness and contrast, and it will assign the mask to it. So now what we need to do actually is decrease the brightness, but you will say everything is in the mask, which is decreased. And you're right, there is this toggle inverted, which we need to tick. And now if we're gonna deselect everything, you can see that our subject is highlighted, but you will say the mask is too harsh, and you're right. So go under the ellipse mask and increase the feather. So this is what we have. Our subject is perfectly highlighted now.